Past simple or past continuous? Let's check your answers. The first one. Tom finished his lunch and rang his friend Jason. Finished and rang. The actions happen one after another in the past, and none of these actions is in progress. Jason was watching TV when Tom phoned him. Was watching TV, the action is in progress, past continuous. Was watching. When Tom phoned him, when something else happened. When was past simple. He turned off the TV when he heard the phone ringing. Here, irregular verb. Here, heard. The actions happen one after another in the past. We need past simple in both cases. They decided what to do when Mark suggested going out. The actions happen one after another in the past. The two verbs are regular. Tom picked Jason up and drove to the club. The actions again happen one after another. Drive, drove, driven, past simple. Two other people were using their tennis court when they arrived. So they arrived, this is action in the past, and when they arrived, something was in progress. The fact that somebody else was using their tennis court started before they arrived and continued after they arrived, which means that we need past continuous exactly. Tom was drinking a soda and eating a sandwich while they were waiting to play. While. So one action, two actions in fact were in progress while something else was happening. Imagine the situation. Tom was staying there in front of the court and waiting for the other guys to stop playing. So he was drinking and eating at the same time while they were waiting to play. It's really easy if you imagine the situations, and it will really help you speak easier after that. Second exercise. The phone was ringing while I was sleeping. The first action was in progress while something else was in progress. Here you can say the phone rang while I was sleeping also. It depends on what connotation you need, on what meaning you want to add in the context. If you want to say that the telephone was ringing for a long period of time, then you say the phone was ringing. If you want to say that the phone just rang once, you'd better say the phone rang while I was sleeping. Second, I was cooking dinner when Tom arrived. I was cooking. The first action was in progress when the other one happened, when Tom arrived. The arrival of Tom interrupted my cooking. The dog was barking and they were trying to sleep. The first action in progress, the second action in progress as well, both of them in past continuous. While we were dancing, the music stopped. So we were dancing, we continued dancing, but while we were dancing, the music stopped. We were in the middle of the action when something else happened. Past simple for the second verb. Sam was listening to music, so he didn't hear you. Sam was listening, the action was in progress. Sam was listening, so he didn't hear you. Here is also one of the stative verbs, or of those verbs that you can't use in continuous tenses. Obviously, here you don't have even option. Didn't hear, past simple. While we were talking, someone stole my bag. Imagine the situation. You were talking with a friend of yours. Somebody else passed by and stole your bag. It's obvious. The action of talking is continuous. So past continuous. While we were talking, someone stole my bag. Something happened. Someone stole my bag. Past simple. The prisoner ran away while the policemen were joking. The action that was in progress is the second one. They were joking. And while they were joking, something else happened. Past simple, the prisoner ran away. Well done, guys. See you in the next video.